Okay, we're just about there. This property's right around here on the left.
Turn left, then the destination is on your left.
Okay, it's right over here. Okay, property's under surveillance, so there's cameras in this property. What a beautiful home. Nice area here. Okay, let's park. Yes, so today we definitely drove about an hour away to this property over in Brooksville, Florida, and just gonna make a small video tour so that if any interested buyers out there is looking for a home with acreage, they can contact me directly, Giovanni with 54 Realty. My number is 813-592-1238. So this property in Hernando County has a lot size of about 4.7 acres. That is the main house. It was built in 2005. It is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2.5 baths actually. As you can see, the driveway with the at the time. Wow, look at this tree. I wonder how old it is. What a nice quiet area. Lovely area if you're looking for some tranquility and love to do something with some nice land here. Just gonna walk around under this carport. Looks like we got a return driveway here so that we can actually, I guess, get to that back structure. Wonder if there's any deers or bears over here. Okay, this is the home from the back, still on the driveway. Looks like the property extends farther back. This property is actually a short sale, so that means the bank has agreed to take a reduced price, so it is definitely under market value, and they're gonna take probably about what is owed on the property. Okay, it looks like we have a generator here, full house generator, which is a good thing to have. The house is on electric, cable available, electricity connected. It does have a septic tank, and water is not public. There was a well, but it collapsed. So according to the information on the listing, so a new well was gonna have to be dug up. That is an additional cost that needs to be considered when purchasing this property. A nice front porch here. So quiet. AC unit on the side. Property has been on the market for 163 days as of today. So it's normal to see some cobwebs and some wasp nest kind of growing in some areas here. Okay. Real estate. Okay, house is vacant. Therefore, as a real estate agent, I need to take some precautions. So it's been empty for quite some time now. So you open up into this open concept living room, dining room setup. The home is listed as having 2,789 square feet. Okay. Kitchen looks nice, has a nice wide window here looking out into the yard off the sink. We have some granite countertops. Going into the bedrooms. Small bedroom with a closet. Another small bedroom, could be an office. Has a closet as well. This area here with outside access is a bathroom. The laundry area with entrance to the outside or exit to the outside as well. This should be about maybe the master bedroom. Sorry if it's a little dark, but there's no utilities connected right now. The walk-in closet. This should be the master or main bathroom. With a shower. All right, let's head up to the top second floor. See what we have here. So it's a loft with dormers, which could be used for additional living space. Oh, these big windows are a plus. Overlooking the front of the property. So yeah, this is definitely extra living space here that could be used. The half bath on top, okay. That's why it was 2.5 bathrooms. So this is where the air handler is located at. Okay, I have seen enough for now. Let's go quickly to the outside of the property. This is great. Metal roof over the back cover porch and deck. Oh, we got a nice high bar here off the window, so you can have a nice moment out here and pass the drinks or something like that. Be great to just put some fans out here because this metal roof can get quite hot. Although we get a lot of shade from these trees, but maybe 3 or 4 fans out back here would actually make everything nicer. It's not too bad right now. It's a little bit humid. I'm actually not gonna walk the whole property. Just the neighbors doing some kind of stuff. And then so that back structure, which is looks like a 2-car garage with a shop, and we got a little bridge over here and a small brook. Gotta check that out. This is the access to the laundry area. That's the other bedroom. Okay, I only have a few more minutes left, so let's look up over here. Make sure everything's okay. Okay, let's lock everything back up. Let's go ahead and lock everything back up. Okay, so we're good. Before I forget, let me go ahead and take a look at that little bridge over that brook. See what it looks like. Okay, we're here by the bamboo tree, the little brook which is dried out, and this bridge. I will not attempt to cross it for my safety, but we can get an idea of how much property there is. Again, 4.70 acres. Currently offered at $488,500 as a short sale. So let me know in the comments what you think about this property, the size, the location, the price. Let me know, would you pay $488,500 for this property?